Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this lava lamp gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my gradient today, I'm going to be using Holo I'm Over Brew, along with Brick Wall and 1 Melon Followers, which will also be the base color. And then I'm going to be doing the stamping using Sunshine Crush. I applied some liquid latex around the edges to help with cleanup, and I'll be removing that after the last coat of gradient, although you can leave it for the stamping if you like. And I've got a makeup sponge here. I'm going to be applying the 3 colors to it and then sponging onto my nails. For today's stamping, I'm using the MoYou London Holy Shapes 10 plate, and we're going to be using these kind of clumped together bubbles down in the corner. This is a little bit of a stubborn design, so I am using a stamper I don't use very often that does do a better job at picking up some tricky designs. So I'm going to scrape it, pick it up, and then stamp it onto my nail. I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup using a Q-tip for any large areas around the edge and some of the overstamp, and then going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once the cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I originally pulled these colors out in consideration of another manicure idea, but then I realized they went really well together and decided to try them as a gradient. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate the shimmer and the stamping. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which has that other testing as well, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.